Is this, that let every stakeholder in the electoral process follow the law. Let every stakeholder conduct themselves peacefully and in accordance with the regulations issued by the Electoral Commission. Let us treat each other with respect, and let us not use language that sows hatred, and let us not abuse digital platforms to spread fake news, misinformation, and disinformation. Because these elections are coming, these elections are going to end, and this Uganda is going to remain, and we should keep and have a Uganda that is united, that is peaceful, and that is progressing during and after elections. Laws and guidelines is a must for every stakeholder involved in the electoral process. Compliance has no color, has no political party, has no candidate. Everybody, the candidates, their agents, their supporters, security agencies, the media, electoral commission officials, all of us must follow the laws. There is no discriminative application of these laws, and because that is a requirement of every actor in the electoral process. That is why the commission says that let everybody, and when it says everybody, it's not saying that some, it's not saying political party A or political party B, it says that everybody must follow the laws. And law enforcement must ensure that it applies the enforcement across the board to make sure that no one breaks the law. In every act it does. The Electoral Commission has been and continues to hear and conclude petitions and complaints that were brought to it. The Commission takes its decisions on the basis of the evidence presented and on the applicable laws at hand. And therefore, whatever the Commission decides in respect of the petitions brought to it are a result of the evidence and the laws that are applicable. We are not aware of any predetermined decision of the Commission on anybody by anybody. We are not aware of a template of the decision of the Electoral Commission to install, to nominate, to disqualify, or denominate anybody. Whatever decision the Commission takes is on the basis of the individual cases, the evidence presented, and the laws.
Most people who are asking me this question are you journalists, but I know that many other people are concerned about this, including Dr. Besige's family and friends. Why is Dr. Besige still in prison? That question, I think, is misdirected. I want to make reference to the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. This is Article 53, Clause 4A. It says, the Uganda Human Rights Commission shall not investigate any matter which is pending before a court or a judicial tribunal. So we have no mandate. We are expressly barred from inquiring into that question you just asked me. But having said that, I would wish to know from Dr. Besige or his lawyers why he cannot let the trial to commence. I'm aware that the DPP, the Director of Public Prosecutions, has said they were ready with their evidence from the day Dr. Besige was arraigned in court. But Dr. Besige's side has never permitted them to present that evidence. What they have been doing is to raise application after application. First, this court has no jurisdiction. The Supreme Court dealt with the issue of the court martial. Besige's case was moved to the High Court. And once it reached there again, Besige's lawyers could not allow the case to be heard. They raised an objection about the impartiality or lack of it of the judge. Then he had to rule on that. Then they appeal. We've had so many bail applications, and many of them, when they are rejected, they attract appeals. And then, at least I'm aware that there's a formal petition questioning the competence of the judge before the Judicial Service Commission. I don't know what the outcome of that will be. But now I wonder, the time which has been spent on raising.
Executive Director wa UCC antumye okubagamba mwenna Bannayuganda nti nga tuyingira mu budde buno obw'okulonda ffenna nga Bannayuganda tujjukire nti eggwanga lino lyaffe ffenna. Eggwanga si ly'abakulembeze bokka. Ffenna tulina obuvunaanyizibwa okulaba nti bye tukola byonna tebireeta buzibu mu ggwanga lyaffe. So mbakubiriza ffenna tukolese emikutu gy'ebyempuliziganya, ama-TV, ama-radio, online platforms n'amasimu. Tugakolese okugatta Uganda, tugakolese okukakanya Bannayuganda babeere nga bye bakola byonna bya ddembe, tebimenya mateeka. Ekyo kijja tuyamba nnyo ffenna okugenda mu maaso ng'eggwanga n'okwewala ebizibu bino nga bye tubadde twogeddeko, oba oliawo gavumenti okuggyako Facebook n'okukwata abantu baffe abamu. Mbakubiriza ffenna tubeere ba buvunaanyizibwa, tuzimbe eggwanga okusinga ate okuligattulula olw'akaseera